The role of hydration cannot be overstated. Hydration is essential for good health and plays a crucial role in maintaining all of the body's functions. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of hydration and how to ensure that you're getting enough, as well as the right types, to support your overall health. Hello, and welcome to 5 Pillars Health, the channel where we show you how to get healthy and stay healthy through the 5 pillars of sleep, hydration, nutrition, movement, and sunlight. When we think about hydration, the first thing that comes to mind is water, which is correct, because water is the most abundant substance in the human body. On average, adult bodies are made up of around 60% water, and our blood is made up of 90% water. Water plays a role in many of the body's functions, including maintaining body temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste. It's important to maintain the balance of water in the body by drinking enough fluids and eating foods that are high in water content. Each and every cell needs hydration to function optimally, and while hydration is largely connected to water, water isn't the only factor. Cellular hydration refers to the function of the mitochondria. Mitochondria are the engines of the cell that help it perform. They rely on a fuel supply made up of water and electrolytes. Water without electrolytes will not hydrate the cell to the level it needs to be. The concept of drinking lots and lots of water for health is not untrue, it's just that without the proper amount of electrolytes to go with it, water will not be properly absorbed by the cells and will incorrectly sit in between the cell walls in the plasma and blood. Our bodies need water to fight off inflammation. If our cells are correctly hydrated with enough water and electrolytes, our chances of fighting off infection and inflammation are increased. This is because our bodies are continually at work making waste known as free radicals. Free radicals are a byproduct of mental and physical stress, as well as from environmental toxins. Water and electrolytes basically form the power couple that detox our cells and therefore our whole body from toxic overload. If you're enjoying this video, please tap the like button. It helps us out a huge amount. The type of water you consume also matters. We at 5 Pillars encourage our community to stay away from tap water, as it is usually treated with neurotoxins like fluoride and chlorine, which have been shown to have direct links with many health conditions. You can either purchase a water filter or buy filtered water from your local grocer to ensure you're staying hydrated without being toxically loaded. If you'd like more info about the dangers of tap water and why you should be steering clear, why not check out our other video that goes into all these details. Now that we know what type of water to look out for, how much should we actually be consuming per day? The amount of water you need depends on several factors, including your age, gender, weight, and activity level. In general, it's recommended that adults drink at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day. You can also get fluids from other beverages, such as tea and coffee, and from foods that are high in their water content, such as certain fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumber, etc. So far, we've got our water part down when it comes to hydration, but what about the electrolyte part? How can you make sure you're being hydrated beyond just your water consumption? Electrolytes consist of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Ancestrally, our water and food was replete with these 3 elements. Unfortunately, our modern food and water don't quite carry those same components, so we have to supplement. Sodium, in the form of pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, is great, and we recommend adding a pinch to every glass of water you consume. When it comes to potassium, you can either add a powder along with your salt into your water, or make sure to consume foods that are high in potassium, like bananas and avocado. Coconut water also adds an amazing boost of potassium to your daily electrolyte needs. Lastly, magnesium should be taken ideally at night because it promotes relaxation and sets you up for a good night's sleep. The best forms of magnesium are citrate, chelate, and glycinate. Make sure to find a good quality brand so that your body is able to fully absorb it. During times of emotional and physical stress, our body will need more amounts of magnesium, so be sure to up your dosage if this sounds like you. If you're on the go, there are many good quality electrolyte powders that don't carry nasty preservatives or sugars. They can come in a variety of flavors and are an easy addition to a water bottle to add variety and flavor into your day. Next, we'll talk about the symptoms of dehydration. Dehydration occurs when the body doesn't have enough fluids or electrolytes to function properly. This can cause symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, dry mouth, and dry skin. In severe cases, dehydration can lead to serious health problems such as kidney stones and heat stroke. It's important to recognize the symptoms of dehydration and take steps to rehydrate. Sometimes, low-level dehydration can occur when we're low in electrolytes but don't feel thirsty. This could manifest in digestive issues, skin inflammation, and energy levels. Dehydration can also occur in illnesses such as vomiting or diarrhea. In any of the above cases, water with electrolyte powders is highly recommended, as it can reverse symptoms almost immediately. Let's not forget that as bad as dehydration can be, overhydration is also a possibility and can be as big a problem. Drinking too much water or having too much water in the body from a health condition can cause water toxicity. Water toxicity is when the water in your body is more than your kidneys can handle. When they can't excrete the water at the rate that it's coming in, it can lead to a dangerous electrolyte imbalance. When our sodium levels become too diluted, a condition called hyponatremia occurs. This causes fluids to move inside our cells, which causes inflammation. The best test to see whether or not you're adequately hydrated is the colour of your urine. Pale yellow urine that resembles lemonade is what you should be aiming for. Darker urine means you're likely dehydrated, whilst colourless urine means you are overhydrated. Physical symptoms of overhydration can include nausea and vomiting, headaches, confusion or disorientation, drowsiness, and muscle cramps. In more severe cases of overhydration, the cells in your brain will start to swell, leading your nervous system to malfunction. If this is not treated, seizures can occur. All that being said, it's very simple to stay adequately hydrated and make sure you don't suffer from either over or underhydration. There are several ways to ensure that you're getting the right amount of fluids to support your overall health. You can try carrying a water bottle that is the size of your daily needs and sipping on it throughout the day. You can also try adding flavour and extra nutrition to your water with lemon, lime, salt, fruit slices, or good quality powders. And we've already mentioned that you can even try and incorporate more hydrating foods into your diet. In conclusion, hydration is essential for good health. By drinking enough fluids and incorporating electrolytes into your diet, you can support your health starting with each and every cell. So why not make hydration a priority? And let us know if you can see or feel any benefits.